Mama, yung isa kalating puso. Yung isa kalating puso. Children obey your parents in the Lord. Children obey your parents in the Lord. For this is right. For this is right. That is right. For this is right. Jesus, obey your parents in the Lord. For this is right. Right. My name is Lee. My name is Casey. Bilang Casey. My name is Angelo Victor Erlim. Bilang Doctor.